Faye. Today I'm going to show you how to make this romantic chocolate makeup look, and I'm going to show you how to do it on a budget. Most of the products I'm using are under $10 because I think that you don't need expensive makeup to look amazing. So let's get started. Here I'm applying L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow in Smoldering Plum, and I'm applying it with my finger because I believe that gives me a richer color. I'm just making little wings with the eyeshadow, as you can see. I'm just blending the edges of the eyeshadow with my brush to make it softer. And here I'm using MAC Studio Eyeshadow in white. I'm just taking a little bit on my finger and applying it right in the center of my eyelid, just to highlight. And a little on the Q-tip, just in the corner of my eyes, also to highlight. Here I'm using Colormates liquid eyeliner in black and making a nice winged look. With it being so cold here in New York right now, this look just reminds me of having hot chocolate on a cold winter's night. Here I'm using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express in Glam Black. I am in love with this mascara. It makes your eyelashes so thick and it's just perfect. And I'm using this Broadway blush, just applying it all over with my kabuki brush. And here I'm applying Rimmel London liquid lipstick. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It stays on so well for the entire day. Again, everything that I've used here is under $10, so definitely worth it to give it a try if you like what I did. Thanks for watching! If you liked what I did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. And if you have any requests for makeup tutorials or products you'd like for me to review, go ahead and leave them in the comments here, or you can email me at faeskrypt@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!